guys, we're inside the beautiful 2025 Forest River Impression 270RK. It is a nice fifth wheel. You could pull it with the heavy half or 3/4 ton truck, but it has a lot of kitchen counter space. The reason why they call it 270RK is because the kitchens is kind of almost in the back, but it gives you everything you ask for. It gives you a nice hide-a-bed sofa, a theater seating facing the TV and the fireplace, table and a 4-chair, and plus you have, this is a desk. Now you ask me now, how are you going to get this as a desk? Very simple and easy, is I raise this one up, I move the baskets if I want to. I'll give you an example, and I take one of this, or I could get an extra chair for office, and voila. And now I have my laptop, my computers, my plugs, my storage cabinet here. Also this one, I could use them and stack them and down, or I could use them in my bedroom, or I could use them in my kitchen, because they're multi-function basket. So it gives you, actually, if you set a storage desk, and it's remove the bins on the top of the shelf, and you could have, and you could drop it down and create a desk. So as you see, I could create a desk here, or if I want, I'll drop this shelf down, and I could use this basket even on the top of the shelf. As you see, like right here, there's one, and then I could put another one over here, and I could still use it as a desk if I have more room legs. And voila, you want more room legs, you take this basket, you put them inside the pantry, raise this one up, and then you have full desk. And when it comes to this model, it gives you really a lot of counter space. First, if you notice, they push the kitchen a little bit further back, so you have nothing between the theater seating and the TV and the fireplace. So it's very open. As you see here, it's very open. So nothing blocking your view when you're sitting here and have conversation with the friends. Also, it gives you a whole back area as a kitchen. And as you see, it comes with a 10.7 cubic foot refrigerator. It's a 12 volt, come with a 200 watt solar panel, a nice flush microwave to the cabinet around the microwave. You have a really nice counter space on the right side of the stove, on the left side of the stove. You have a lot of tinsel doors, and you could put a trash can here if you want to, or cooking pans. Then across from it, you have a counter space with this, cup rinse, waterfall, high-rise faucets, counter space next to it, and then you have the nice tinsel doors, big cabinet. Again, you could use this as a trash can here, or use one of these one, whatever you want. Plenty of room, and they don't give up your pantry. You still have the big shelf pantry here. Also, you could use these baskets if you want on the pantry. You could put one here and the second one there, so you have plenty of room. So when you do your office, you have no problem. Right here. As well, what they did, they give you is a hidden pantry. And you say, where's now the hidden pantry? So it's behind the TV and the fireplace and these nice speakers. There's a hidden pantry. You just open the latch like this, and then you pull it. Voila. Plenty shelves, and they have even lip on it. You could use it appliances, coffee maker, toasters, guns, cereals, canned foods, you name it. Or you could use that pantry or that pantry. So actually in this unit, you have two pantry. You have a nice pantry like a house, and then you have this one hidden behind the TV and the fireplace. More storage right here. And then walk in, there's a place for shoe storage. Nice 2-step, full nice privacy. You have even window for the hallway to give you more bright light. And we walk into the bedroom. The bedroom, I really love it. It has the versatile bed. So you could see I could bring this bed down if I want, with a big window on the top. or I could raise it up. Storage underneath. You have a place for washer dryer. It's right there. Stackable washer dryer I could. Or I could put the combo and leave this shelf and the hanging. Or I could take this one or take that one and use the stackable. Also, you have a storage windows with a basket around this, so you have plenty closet, plenty storage. This unit come with two ACs. There's one AC here in the living room and one AC in the living room and bedroom. There's a place here for a second TV, as you see the TV bracket with hookup. Also, this has the light Wi-Fi equipped. You could scan it and then you just sign up with the company you want. The bathroom, I love they give you a solid medicine cabinet. Nice counter space, place for trash can. You put through this. No issue with the knees. Nice standing shower. Privacy. A nice coat hanger. And the separations in colors, a fan, loaded. This is an awesome brand new 2025 Impression 270RK. The one has the office and kitchen in the back and huge living area. It has a nice high profile in the bedroom with a big automotive window, so you could see from your bedroom. Like a lot of them, they don't have window in the front, but this one has a window so you could see what's going on. Beautiful LED in the both sides, the right side, the left side, and the front, so you could see at night when you hitch up your fifth wheel hitch. Nice power awning with LED light, all dark tinted window. And then you have the full pass-through storage to the other side. We have a 200-watt solar panel controller with 30-amp controller. We have auto leveling in the other side controller. Coming this way, which is we don't have that much. Three steps, the big slide out, and in the rear, typical Impression. They give us the ladder, not the ladder prep. It come with a ladder, backup camera prep, come with a towing package. 3,000-pound tube package, receiver, and then they give you the 60,000 kPTU tankless water heater. That's a big deal. This is the 60,000, the big one, Suburban, and 50-amp service because it has two ACs, one docking station where you could hook up your outside showers, your city water, Sani flush, cable, satellite, all of it in that spot. As well, you have the controller for the auto levelers. Come with a 2 propane tank, 20-pounders. It's easy to get in, easy to access. You don't have to bend your back. And then on the front here, you have a big storage outside where your spare tire is being protected and covered. And here's the location for your batteries and more storage for outside. This is what you see on the 270RK. I love the look of it, the colors, the features, the benefit. And what we supported with the price no one could match in the state of California, and we sell for less and no hidden fees, and we make it ready for you for free at no extra cost.